This video will demonstrate the steps to install geosync Go 3D Publisher software for the first time, and then also to authorize the software for use for publishing use. From a browser, we need to go to geosyncgo.com. Once we reach the website, from the menu, we can open the download section, and then we will install by downloading the geosync Go AM tools with 3D Publisher software. The installation is the same for both AM tools, asset management tools, and 3D Publisher. This is downloading. As soon as it's finished, we'll open this package and run it to install the software. And we'll just follow through with the wizard, accepting each screen. The software is being installed. And at this point, we now have installed the geosync Go Publisher and AM tools. We have two icons on the desktop. To start geosync Go 3D Publisher, double click on the icon. It will open up the software. And the first time that we come in, we'll see that we are not currently authorized. First step is to authorize the software. And here you need to enter in the account ID or user ID provided to you along with a password. Click the authorize button, and if it's authorized, it will show connected, and then click the close button, and then now we are ready to proceed. The first step in the process will be to start the 3D Publisher. Click on that icon button, and then we are now connected and ready to go. And that's the steps to install the software and authorize.